Hi guys, welcome to YCB, and today we are going to discuss about generators in Python. So I will use simple analogy and I will teach you. So okay, without wasting time and let's jump into the screen and I'll share you and I'll let you know what exactly generators are in Python. So generator means something that is gonna generate something. What comes into your mind when you heard word generator? Maybe electric generator that also generates electricity, right? If you see like in villages or maybe in the big events, there are some generators, or even you can say in the hotels, and there are so many silent generators. So all of them are generating electricity. So Python generator is not gonna generate electricity, but it's gonna generate some results. Okay. So let's jump to the screen and let's imagine. Okay, I will teach you like what exactly generator means in Python. Normally, suppose you have written a function and it is performing the operations like maybe you are calculating 1 to 100 sum of 1 to 100 numbers, okay, or you can say sum of n natural numbers. Now what you will do, you will calculate sum of first natural number. Okay, let's say sum of n natural numbers, and you are gonna calculate it in a such a way like first one natural numbers, first two natural numbers, first three natural numbers, first four natural numbers, and every time five natural numbers, and you have to calculate. So what you will do, you will create a loop and you will keep on adding first two numbers sum. And okay, let me walk you through. So let's say sum uh, list of sum of n natural numbers. I mean, I think I'm not using the correct word, natural numbers. So here what you are expecting, let's say 1 to 5. 1 to 5 we want. So 1 2 3 4 5. So you have to store something like this. Okay. First only one. Second 1 and 2. 3. 3 and 3 6. 6 4 10. 10 5 15. So you have to store this. So what you will do, you can create a function, right? Or maybe what you will do, you create a loop for I in range, or maybe you can create 1 to 5. Let's say 1 to 5 plus 1 to get max range. I think I haven't taught you, so let's take okay, I in 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now you will do what, you'll let's say sum is the counting, you are calculating current sum, and first you will be it will be 0 at starting, and you have created one result array. It is empty list right now. So what you will do, current sum equals to whatever right now you have plus adding the I, the element that you are getting from it. So at starting it will be 1, so you will add 1 plus 0 plus 1 1, and at the end what you will do, you will add it into the list, result dot append, and current sum, and again you will start keep on, you will iterate through this loop. Okay, now what you did, simply you are adding those elements one by one, and you have created like you are pre-computing here, and you stored everything in the memory. Imagine now, let me teach you with simple analogy. Go to, like you will see in the restaurant, whenever you are going, they are preparing, or maybe just see it in a tea stall. What they do, they prepare a set of a cup of tea, and they, once other customers will come, they will prepare. Not they will prepare for all day and they will wait for customers. They don't do this, right? So in the same way, instead of preparing, or instead of calculating all the numbers in once, when we need, for example, you need it for sum of two natural numbers, you need it sum of three natural numbers, and every time it's gonna give you, okay, first number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number, sixth number, seventh, and so on. So generator is gonna do the same. It will store the state where what you did in the past, and it will process again. So it's like, so you first time you asked give me the first number, then it will do, it will okay run, it will run the loop, and it will calculate and it will give the result. Then it will wait for another call. Okay, and it will do again. Okay, now I calculated for one, now let me calculate for two, and the same it will do for another. So that's how. So if we have to create a function, okay, so there are two methods. So I will tell you function one, like how to create like how to create generator function in Python in simpler terms. And we I haven't taught you about list comprehension, so I won't tell you that particular method. We will go through that in further lectures. So let's say you have created one function. Okay, it is simple one thing. You can make any generator like any function into you can turn any function into generator. And let me tell you. So let's say you have given n. So you have to, if you will create simple function, what you will do? Let's say you have given n. So you create a number. So like for I in range 1 and n plus 1. So you will create this, and what you will do, result will be equals to 0 and at a starting. Okay, so let's say this. So you will keep on loop adding, and you will at the end return result. Okay, you will first you are going to calculate all the natural numbers sum, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and then you will return. So haven't you done like you calculated complete n natural numbers sum stored in memory? It's like you are keeping everything in your memory. You are keeping or you are remembering everything. It will it will not be efficient, because suppose there are millions of numbers and you wanted to calculate, and it will be overburdened to memory. Now if you want to be efficient, what you will do, instead of just forget, what you will do, yield result. So what it's going to do, okay, so what you'll do, instead of returning the result complete list, you will do like whatever the value that you are getting here. For example, this current sum you are getting, you will do simply return current sum. Next time you will calculate another current sum, and you will keep on adding, and you are returning. And then how to access it? Because if you think from function returns a value and that's over. But here we need to call it again and again, so that it will return next value, next value, next value, like that. So simple terminology is, here we'll say result. If you wanted to get from function, you will say okay, this is the value you given, you got generator, it will return generator. And whatever the value you wanted to get, simply say next, give me next, give me next, and it will keep on giving you the values. Okay, and you will get the value. And it's going to, how it is done, it's simply, you can say, magical function. And every time when you are, so it's like a call on demand. You can think of like whenever you are calling, it's going to calculate and it's going to provide you the result. So now let's jump into the hands-on part, and I will show you this exam with the example. I was about to stop the video. So let's jump. Okay, Command Shift 5. I'll do this first. Okay, I hope you can see my screen. I just wanted to finish it within the 10 minutes. Not possible. 15 minutes maybe. Let's target. So we are in the Python lectures folder. So let me see last file. Touch lectures 15 or 16. I think it's 16.py. I don't know. Okay, so let's open it. What I will do? Okay, desktop Python lecture 16.py. Oh, what? It opened in the Python ID. No problem. I will do it. Open with, and where is it? Text edit. So first thing, we are going to fix it. Let me minimize this so that you can see my screen, and let me format it first. Edit spelling checking, spell check. I have to disable, otherwise it will treat it as a text and it will keep on uh, using the first, it will capitalize the first letter that I don't want to do. Let me add the comment first, generator. Okay, and then simply start create a function diff, and let's say sum let's say sum of n. So sum of n, and here we'll give n, a particular number, how many you want to number. Then let's say result, current value, it will return current result. Initially it will be 0. Now what we'll do, for I in range, so you can explore the function for the time being, range n plus 1, and n plus 1 means it will go up to n. So range is, if you wanted to explain range function, so range of 3, let's say, so it's nothing but it will return you the value like 0 1 2 3. But if you wanted something like you wanted to start from another point, let's say 2 to 3, 2 to 3, sorry my bad, it will return till, like it will exclude the last value. Now you can think of like number of elements. So if I'm giving 2 to 3, then it will be going to return 2, and 3 won't be there, let's say. Okay, so it will be like 2, it will be the upper limit, its upper limit, before it will stop. So if I wanted to generate till n, then I will give n plus 1. Okay, and I wanted to generate from 1, not from 0. 0 is not natural number, right? So what I'll do this, and every time what I need to do, current result plus equals to, or let's say, let me do a specific, result plus equals to, and you can say I. So we are adding, and what needs to be done every time when we are generating the value, yield. I think that's the correct spelling, yield. And what you want, so it's similar to return, just instead of that you are yielding value. So it will keep on generating new values every time, like when you will like it, you can think of like it will pause after returning it instead of calculating the next value. So state will be paused, okay, until you will call it again. So it will wait for you. It's very intelligent function. Okay, so generator you can say. Okay, so yield, and what we want to return, yield, return, not return yield. So let's say sum. Okay, let's create generator object. So okay, let's say son, sum of n, and sum of n, and you will say 5, let's say 5. So if you will print son, what you will get, it will say generator object. What happened, why it is not printing? Oh, save anyway, and I just ran. That's why I was thinking like what happened. Python 3, see, generator object, it's not showing Python or something, it's not showing function. Now if you wanted to get the value, let's say first value, so you will say next of son, and it will return the first value 1. If I'll run again, 1. Okay, no, it's running from starting, so that's why. So if I'll print another one, print next of son, then what do you think it will get? You will get, it's like 3, because I executed 2 times, right? I mean, yeah, the problem. Okay, no, it's correct. And 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So 1 3. Let's say third element. So let me comment down what are the values. So it will say like 1 2 3 4 and 5. These are the values, like that should be will get the result. So let me do it. How many times? What is time right now? I'm targeting it 15 minutes. So 5 times I'm executing, right? See, first time, okay, first time we got 1. In the second iteration we got second number, 1 plus 2 3. In the third iteration we got 6. 3 plus 3 6. In the fourth request we got 6 plus 4 10. In the fifth one we got this one, we got 15. And after that we are calling for further. So it's like this is the time over, like there are no teacups available, or no vendor is just stopped the, like you just ordered something and you already consumed that, so no more the orders are available for you. So it will say, bro, what are you saying? There aren't any further available, so stop iteration, it's done. It will say, yeah. So that's about it. So, and okay, so let's say about this. And yeah, if you have any further doubts and all, then do let me know. You can join my Discord channel also. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next uh, lecture. And in the next I will cover the list comprehension. Further important topic, very important, you can say. You are going to, and it's very important from optimization point of view. So we are going to see, and after that I will cover the uh, you can say generator expression. So how to create generator, so this was a generator function, and I will tell you how to create generator expression after list comprehension. So stay tuned with me.